Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi dongle. First, simply locate an open USB port on your computer, whether it is a desktop or a laptop, and gently insert your new Wi-Fi dongle. You will often feel a slight, reassuring click as it securely connects. Your computer should usually recognize the new hardware almost instantly, often with a small notification, preparing for the next essential step. This initial physical connection is both quick and straightforward. After inserting the dongle, installing the correct drivers is the next crucial step. Some dongles come with a mini compact disk containing the necessary software for installation. If you do not have a disk drive, or if you prefer the most current version, navigate to the manufacturer's website. Locate your specific model, download the latest drivers, and simply follow the easy on-screen prompts for a smooth setup. With drivers installed, you are ready to connect to a wireless network. Click the Wi-Fi icon in your system tray, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. A list of available networks will then pop up for you to choose from. Find your network name, click on it, and simply enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. You will see a connected status once successful. Sometimes, you might encounter minor connection issues, which are usually simple to fix. First, try restarting your computer or simply unplugging, and then reinserting the dongle into a different USB port. For the best signal, ensure the dongle is not obstructed and is facing towards your router if possible. Always double-check your Wi-Fi password and make sure your drivers are up to date for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.